Hello there foodies, this is Late Cookin, and today I'm gonna show you how to make the best French pancakes, also known as crepes. They're easy to make and perfect for breakfast, dessert or as a snack. So let's get started. For this recipe you're gonna need the following: 150 grams of all-purpose flour, 250 milliliters of milk, 2 eggs, 15 milliliters of vegetable oil, and 25 grams of sugar. First, whisk the milk with the eggs until smooth. Now, if you have an electric mixer, just go and use it. Well, just not in a small bowl though. You better use an old school whisk in that case. Then go and add your oil while stirring. Whisk together the dry ingredients, then pour the wet mixture and whisk until the batter runs smooth with no lumps. You can also pass the batter through a fine mesh strainer for best results. Absolutely recommend it. This way you also get rid of the chelaza. Yeah, that unwanted stringy stuff that joins the egg yolk to the eggshell. Then grab a 12-inch pan, put on some cooking spray, you know, that oil that has no calories, right?
Wrong!
That's just a marketing move which weirdly still abides to FDA standards, so don't fall for it. Once your pan is smoking hot, pour half of a cup of your smooth batter and swirl it around to spread it evenly. Make as many crepes as you want. Well, this recipe makes you 4, so you're still kinda limited. Now, pick your favorite spread. Today I chose Nutella and Lotus. If you haven't, for some reason, tried them together yet, then what are you waiting for? Just do it. Turn off the heat and put on a couple of teaspoons from each spread and mix them together. Trust me, these two will join efforts to make a unique and sensational taste. And there you have it. Best French pancakes, also known as crepes. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and give it a try at home. Thank you for watching. Please consider interacting by subscribing, liking, and most interestingly, commenting. I'd love to connect with you. And just in case you haven't heard the pancake song yet, here you go.